Iran's history is marked by repeated cycles of violence. Mass graves dot its earth. Survivors and victims are in a constant battle against forced erasure. Impunity prevails, and debates on legacies of violence are repressed. We believe education is vital for reckoning with this violent past and present, and transitioning towards a future where the dignity of victims is restored. A future built on the pillars of transitional justice: truth, justice, reparation, and guarantees of non-repetition. Help us build this future.